In this video, let me show you how to fix TikTok repost feature not working. If you're trying to repost other users' videos and if you're having issues, the first thing that you need to ensure or make sure is that if the repost feature is actually available or not for the creator. So what I mean by that is if the creator has disabled the option or the feature of repost for the particular post or the video that you made or the video that they made, this is the exact issue that you're facing. So whenever you tap and hold a particular video within the TikTok app, you should be able to see the option of repost right here. But however, if the repost feature is missing, that simply means that the creator or the user has disabled this feature. But however, if you know that the repost option is available for others, because if you've seen others reposting the same video and the issue is with you only, in this situation what you need to do is just reinstall the TikTok application onto your device. This is likely due to the app bugs or app glitches which is causing the issue. So once you reinstall the application, you will have the latest version and any sort of issues that you're facing should also now be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.